Ashley Harris from Kokomo. I dropped out when I was 17. I had my first child, a little girl. I wanted to do more with my life. Needed more for my kids. I was pregnant with my second child actually when I started. During family time, it's just opened up my eyes a lot to things. So, I mean, they've helped me grow a lot on a maturity level. Loving and trust, I've had a lot of issues with that. Biggest influence, really, it's my mom. She adopted me when I was about 2 months old. She's been like a big impact in like striving and working and being determined and whatnot. And then next to her would be my step-parents. Both of them are dead now, but they did have a good impact in my like emotional growth. They were really understanding, and they helped me see like things from a different view. My mom's side of the family, they're really Christian, and like sometimes I felt like it was really pushed on me, so I was like completely opposed to it. I know he's there. I know I can trust him, and that's the best thing ever. Like I'm slowly getting there. At the crossing, like I've found it's like just more loving. Like I really love that about the people at the crossing. I really want to get my doctorate in criminal justice. Ashley Harris, and I'm a Crossing graduate.